Hi, welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. This is episode 3 of my Sunday lunch series, actually Trinidad Sunday lunch series. Today I will be making potato salad, a favorite in Trinidad, especially on Sundays. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. For this recipe, you will need 6 medium potatoes. I'm using russet today. 1 tin of corn, half a cup of mayo. I'm using Hellman's. I love Hellman's in my recipes. You can use whichever one you like. About 3 slices of red onion, 1 pimento, optional if you have it or not. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. Put my potatoes to boil now. The salt I will add just before it finishes cooking, like about 5 minutes or so. I don't add the salt before because then the potato will melt away. Add it just before finishing so it gets into the potato. You boil the potato until it's tender. It's been boiling for around 10 minutes or so, and it might take about 5 more minutes. So I'm going to add the salt now. See how it is? The knife goes through really easy. It's almost there. So I'm just going to add the salt. And why I put 2 teaspoons is because of the water too. So you need to put a little extra salt than you think. Let it go for another 5 minutes and then I'll drain it off. So I've drained my potatoes and I'm going to add all my ingredients to it now. I'll add the corn in. The pimento. The mayo, and the red onions. I like cutting my red onions in big pieces like that because sometimes if you don't like the onions, it's an easy way to take it out then from the salad. So let's mix it together. I did have some sugar here, but this was to add in the water if you need it. I didn't need it because the potato was really sweet and yummy. Just stir it well until all the ingredients is all mixed in like this, and then it will be ready. Here's my potato salad. Hope you try out my recipe and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Hi, welcome to Mom's Trini Cook. This for episode 3 or how to say that again? Hi, welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking.